Hi guys, welcome to my brand new channel. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to film this video. This video has been a long time coming. Some of my dear friends here on YouTube and Instagram know how long I've had this idea and how long I've wanted to incorporate it on my channel. So today I am bringing to you an introduction of a new focus on my channel called The Art of Makeup, Color Made Easy. So as I'm talking, I'm going to throw up a few pictures of art pieces that I myself have created over the last couple of years. A lot of them were tutorials, so some of them are not my creative idea, but they are my creations. And so I just kind of wanted to make it fully clear on my channel that I have an artist's eye, and I don't mean like, oh, I'm an artist. I mean like color has always spoken to me. My mom, before she lost her eyesight, was also a painter and has sold a lot of her works. And so I did grow up with that artistic sort of thing going through my family. My brother draws, my sister also paints, as well as refinishes furniture and things like that, and I myself paint as well as create art on my eyeballs. So this is something that I've wanted to do for a very long time on my channel. I've had this idea since I started my channel officially in December of 2017. I don't know why it's taken me so long to bring this to you guys. I guess partially I was just really nervous. I don't know if there's a want or a need for this kind of content on YouTube anymore or now. And I'm hoping that the cry that I've heard from the general beauty community, that they want to get back to the makeup, stop talking about all of the new makeup and so on, and just make use of what they have, I'm hoping that you will find that here. This is not going to be the completion of my content on my channel. These are not the only videos I'm going to continue to make. I'm going to continue on with similar content to what I've had in the past, talking about new releases, reviewing a few new releases now and again, but this is going to be the main focus and the drive of all of the videos that I create on my channel. So the reason that I want to bring this focus to my channel is, number one, because makeup has always been like an extension of that artistic and creative mind that I possess. That's why I create colorful looks. That's why I love eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is just a very small canvas that I love and adore to paint every single day. And sometimes it's neutral, more neutral, like today. This look tutorial is coming to you in December. Well, mid-December. It's already December when you're seeing this. But the other reason why I want to bring this to you is I love to teach. I've never wanted to be a teacher. If I'm being honest, I don't like kids that much. Which sounds terrible, but it's not who I am. If I was teaching college, that might be a different thing, but I don't know that I am at that capacity. But I do love to teach, and that's always been the premise of my channel, and that is I myself am on a journey in beauty, learning what I can about makeup and its application, and then bringing it to you in a concise, direct, and complete manner so that you yourself can make use of that information and that learning. So some things that we might be covering here within this series are lots of color theory. Lots and lots of color theory. I want you to understand the color wheel because it is very, very helpful in creating makeup looks to understand and be able to use color theory in your makeup, as well as brush techniques, looking at individual brushes and determining what they're for based on their shape and their form and so on. And also just how much applying makeup is like painting and vice versa. I think by showing you some painting techniques and paint brushes rather, that it might help you to understand makeup and its application better and truly up your makeup game, because I know that my skills and my learning within the realm of painting has very much improved my makeup game. So the reason why I want to bring this learning and this type of content to you is something that I realized when my younger sister was going through culinary school. Both her and her husband are certified chefs. And one thing that I figured out when she was going through culinary school is that with cooking, if you give someone a recipe, if I give you a recipe, you can follow that recipe and you can create that one dish. But if I show you how to sear a piece of meat, how to braise a hunk of meat in the oven, if I show you cooking techniques and cutting techniques for chopping vegetables and fruits, if I give you all of the techniques, then you can take all of the techniques and create anything that you want, not just the one recipe. So hopefully that makes sense. That was the best analogy that I could come up with. And like I said, I want to bring this information to you through very concise videos where we're really breaking it down, like blending, brush techniques, types of brushes, color theory, how to pair colors together based on color theory. I want to bring you these very concise videos so that you can go out and create the makeup of your dreams. So that is basically what I have for you today. I'm like beyond excited to get started with this. I'll have several videos each month within this focus. Please let me know down in the comments below any video requests that you have, any questions you'd like to have answered, because I definitely want to teach you the things that you've been wondering about. I hope you're just as excited as I am. I know I teased in, I believe it was my Copper Smoky Eye video, that I was going to be rebranding my channel. Like I said, I will continue to make some of the content that I've made in the past, but I'm also going to be focusing on teaching you guys and helping you guys to use the makeup that you already have. And I want to thank each and every one of you for coming along on this journey with me today and all days moving forward. I appreciate each and every single one of you that has chosen to like, comment, subscribe, and watch my videos. And with all of that said, I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful, artistic makeup days. And I will see you in my next video real soon.